What's good, everybody? It's your girl Lady Red, and I am back with another video. Today I am doing another eat with me in bed video. I hope you can see everything. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. You guys, today I was in the mood for some tuna fish, so I got a 6-inch from Subway. I have some cheddar sun chips here. I have my Sprite on the side, so let's get into it. All right, I dropped it a few times, so I hope it don't explode on me. Get my sippy sip. Let me set this here. So I have my hot banana peppers, some red onions, pepper, Parmesan cheese, and some cheddar cheese. And it's on a flatbread. I'll leave this here. So I don't have much to clean up. How are you guys doing? If you hear the TV in the background, I am watching TV. I'm watching this YouTuber called The Ghost Pirate, and he gives you movie recommendations, horror movie recommendations. Right now he's giving recommendations about some good horror movies on Tubi. Some chips are good. This is good. You guys let me know if you enjoy this and if I should continue doing dinner, breakfast, lunch, whatever in bed. I might not do lunch in bed because I think dinner and breakfast is better. But if you don't have anything to eat, snack on, or drink on, I suggest you pause this video, go grab that, and come back and eat with your girl. Don't have me eating by myself. So, obviously, I'm home from my getaway. And you guys, I had so much fun. Just as much fun as I had when I went away for my birthday. But when I did that, I was away for 2 weeks. I'm trying to make this a habit. These are so bomb. Excuse me. I'm glad I didn't get the foot long because I'm getting full. This guy gives really good recommendations. Whew. This is so good, but I'm about to get up out of here. I'm full, you guys. I was snacking a little bit earlier, and then I had the munchie. You guys. Oh, did I say this had bacon on it? Yeah. Look. Let me get up out of here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share, guys. Sharing is caring, so do me that solid and share. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching. I'm Lady Red, and I'm out.